Hi, my name is Eric, and today I'm going to teach you how to make steak with a side of potatoes and some vegetables. The ingredients we're going to use are some olive oil, salt, some garlic paste, garlic powder, baby carrots, dried rosemary, some asparagus, baby potatoes, picanha steak, pepper medley, macadamia oil, and some barbecue rub. We begin by pouring some macadamia oil over the potatoes. Next, we'll add a couple of pinches of salt, some pepper medley, add some dried rosemary on top, just a few, mix it all together. Pop it in the air fryer at 190 degrees for 15 minutes. For the carrots and the asparagus, put them together in one bowl, and then we'll add the oil, pour a generous amount, 3 pinches of salt, our pepper medley, and lastly, our dried rosemary. Mix it together. Now that they're well mixed, we're going to pop them in the air fryer again for 190 degrees for 15 minutes. And now for the best part, we're going to season our steak. Salt your steak, about 3 pinches should be enough. Garlic powder, again a generous amount, 3 pinches should be enough. Take our pepper medley. Lastly, we're going to take our barbecue rub and just sprinkle it on top. So now we're going to rub and make sure that it gets everywhere so that it's evenly spread. And once it's seasoned, on one side, you're going to flip it and do the same thing on the other side. And now that our steak is well seasoned, we're going to place it gently in a bowl, cover it in cling film, and then place it in the fridge to rest for 1 hour. Our potatoes are ready. Let's plate them. They have the golden brown color that we were looking for. Preheat our pan over medium to high heat. Our pan is hot, so we're going to sprinkle some olive oil, generous amount. Add just a bit of garlic paste. Do you hear that? Our asparagus is ready, but just before we get it out, let's lay our steak. Make sure to lay the fat side down first. Now we can just plate them. They look wonderful. They must be nice and crunchy by now. Nice. Now let's get back to our steak. It's time to flip our steak. You can see it has a golden brown color. This is what we are aiming for. Depending on how well done you want it to be, you can use this temperature measure to check, and I think ours is medium, so we'll take it out now. We'll slice it and then plate it. The flavor you're looking for, as you can see, it's medium. With me is Emma from Greenspoon, and she's going to do our taste test.
It's really nice. It's soft, and the sauce has some sweetness and bitterness to it. Yeah, I love it. And let's try this amazing potato. Has some saltiness to it. It's really nice.
You had it. It's nice. It's great. And remember, guys, you can get all these ingredients at Greenspoon. Now, Emma and I are going to enjoy this delicious meal.